Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Duta Ramadan and my name is 17016222145. In here, I will to present uh, about my internship result report in Telkom Indonesian company. For the next page, I will explain about my background company. Telkom Indonesian or TBK, commonly known as Telkom, is a state-owned enterprise engaged in information and communication technology and a comprehensive telecommunication network and service provider in Indonesia. Established in 1064, Telkom has grown into one of Southeast Asia's large telecommunication company. Its serves include internet, like a Hindi home, data center, cloud computing, and digital infrastructure development to support Indonesian economic transformation with the vision of becoming the leading digital telecommunication company to accelerate Indonesians' digital society transformation. For the next page, I will explain about internship benefit. For the first is gain relevant work experience. And the second, enhance technical and non-technical skills required in world of work. On the last of what on the last is gain insight into how business strategies are developed and executed. Okay, the next is profile about Telkom Indonesia Company. Telkom Indonesian Company, commonly known as Telkom Indonesia, is the large state-owned telecommunication and digital service company in Indonesia, established to support the country's telecommunication infrastructure. Telkom provides a wide range of services include fixed line and mobile communication, internet and data service, IT solution and digital platform, with its hardware located at Telkom Landmark Tower in Jakarta. Telkom operates through multiple business units and sub, subsidiaries across the country, serving individual customer, business, and government institution. Its vision in its vision is to become the most preferred digital telecommunication company to advance society through innovation, integrated service, and strategic digital transformation. Telkom plays a vital role in driving Indonesian digital economy and bridging the connectivity gap across urban and rural region. Okay, the next is general activity in my intern. For the first is create a Wi-Fi corner improvement program. In the second, I am reporting traffic data, sales, and revenue feature. And the third, I visited Telkom BSD office to review the Rising Star program with the ICC or Indibis Caring Center unit. And the next is assist in preparing lanyard for distribution to track, direct, or Telkom regional. And the next is reporting about traffic Wiko thematic Ramadan. And the next is learn sales activities and sales acceleration program. For the last one is visit 3 Wiko in Central Java. There are Wiko Simo Boyolali and Kartosoro, and the last is Wiko Garapari Solo. For the next page is field of work in Telkom Indonesia. In unit, there are regional sales operation. For the first is sales acceleration, and the second is sales CPC and B2B PM, and the third is profiling data housekeeping, and the fourth is WICO or Wi-Fi Corner Performance Improvement Program, and the last is coordinate operational sales with regional unit. For the next page is work implementation. In work implementation, two they are team in full. Uh, they are regional sales operation, and then customer engagement, leveraging, and segmentation. For the main test is uh, one is Wiko traffic input and sales revenue, and the second understand the sales channels that play a role, and the last one is presentation on Wiko performance improvement. Okay, the next page is obstacles phase. For the first is project complexity. Understand, accelerate, and Wiko sales program. For the second is time limitation. There are challenge in completing tasks in timely manner. And the last one is lack of participant experience. There are challenge in technical implementation. For the solution is use of task prioritization and studying additional reference and discussion with the team. For the next page is theory and practice gap in Telkom. Gap of intern. The focus of learning during the lecture is more directed of conceptualization, economic modeling. While in the world of work, I'm required to understand corporate workflow, cross-divisional communication, and technical skills such as traffic data reporting and Wiko revenue analysis. For the solution, learn to adapt to real condition and improve technical and soft skill. Okay, the next page is conclusion. The first is field work practice at Telkom Indonesia integrates theory and practical experience in the regional sales operation. And the second is improve skill in market research and proposal. In third, on the third is teamwork, enrich the insight of understanding Wiko, and the last one is obstacles were overcome through team communication and self-directed learning. Okay, the next page is documentation of my intern activity. Big one is I'm presentation to my mentor, Mr. Mario. I presentation my project. Uh, there is how to improvement Wi-Fi corner, and the second is the next of pick one. There are table of improvement traffic Wi-Fi corner, improvement traffic corner, and I will make a table about data improvement Wi-Fi corner. And the third picture is my activity during I working during my do my task about Wiko thematic Ramadan. And the last picture is I'm help my team to distribution lanyard AR and SA to Tirek or Telkom Regional. Okay, because before I close my presentation, I would like to big thank you to my mentor and my team in Telkom Indonesia. And then I will say thank you to my lecturer and my friend for support to making this presentation. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.